Okay, this is a 2-bedroom apartment. Downstairs bathroom. Kitchen.
Hello.
Fridge, freezer, a harbour microwave, and pretty much everything
Coffee
you need.
machine.
Coffee machine, yeah.
Pots and pans and everything under there.
A living area with a bed which I believe turns into a fold out double bed. Now this is the downstairs balcony, which is a bit odd. It's sunny in the morning, but it's shady in the evening, and it doesn't really overlook anything unless you get up here and it overlooks the street. Some nice restaurants down there. Then upstairs, up the interesting staircase, we've got 2 bedrooms, a nice bathroom and a much nicer balcony. Nothing special, but decent enough size room. Hannah and Ryan are in here. Bathroom, another bathroom. So we've got 2 bathrooms. They're both decent. The one downstairs is probably better, but this one's more practical being upstairs. This is our room. And we've got a lovely balcony where you can see the sea and the upper swimming pool. And there's sunbeds all around the top there. Upper swimming pool there, sea there, and down there is a shopping precinct and the second swimming pool. Decent place if you're on a budget.